All right, I'm back at the 4x8 garden. The 4x8 fall garden, that is. Anyway, I had added some scraps from the kitchen in there again today. And we've had a lot of rain, so that thing has been thoroughly soaked. This was in the shed. I'm in the process of cleaning the shed up so I can put a car in it. And this, I don't know if you watched my other videos, but this was one of my Vermi Compost experiments. This thing, believe it or not, this thing was full. It was up to here. And the worms and then the black fly larvae, or the black soldier fly larvae, gobbled everything up. And then after it sat there in the shed and dried up, this is what I've got. Looks like it's got a bunch of spiders. I don't want to get bit by a spider, but you see spider eggs. But this is what I've got. Look at that. Get that stick going on. All right, that is composted. Just it's dry. You know, lots and lots of kitchen scraps that were turned into compost. So I'm going to put that in the 4x8. And looks like it might have some plastic right there. But anyway, I'll get out stuff like that. But it's got, there's more plastic. I mean, just there, right there. It's just basically pure compost. I don't see anything live in there. I don't see any worms. I don't see anything else. So I'm just going to take this and just go ahead and dump it in there. Even all the stuff that hadn't composted yet. Because every bit of that will compost. All right, so let me go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and dump it in there. While I'm thinking about it right now. And yeah, wonderful. That right there is basically just worm dirt. Black fly larvae dirt. Black soldier fly larvae dirt. I'm probably going to end up with I don't know, I ain't going to say it, but this would probably be one of my most productive garden spots here. I'm going to put this plastic container back in the shed, and I'm going to turn it back into my Vermi Compost thing here. And yeah, look at that. Perfect. So get in there. I'll just end up spreading that around and breaking it up. Got some of the clumps in there. Perfect. This could be good stuff. Look at that. I know a lot of people think that's gross, but you know, it's just like dirt in your yard. It actually has a good earthy smell to it. It doesn't stink. Nothing like that. It's just good old Vermi Compost. Wow. Well, I'm not finding any worms. I guess they all passed away. Oh well. All right. I'm just gonna spread that around a little bit and let it sit. Ooh, now I gotta wash my hands. But anyway, one thing about preparing a garden spot, some people do it like in a half a day and just get it done. Other people take a whole season. Me, I call this the fall garden because I've fallen behind. I'm a little late on my fall. It's winter. We're already in the winter season. But yeah, I think that's going to be good. I'm going to end up with some more compost to throw in there. That's actually a lot of compost. I mean, in terms of the stuff that I put in there to compost, there was a lot of kitchen scraps. All right. I'm going to set these containers to the side. Just kind of like throw them upside down. And the reason I do this is because I'm going to end up putting cardboard down all the way around this. And doing some, actually I'm going to end up with probably 4 or 5 of these, maybe 6 of them right in this area of these 4x8s. And I'll be doing this whole area. So by this coming spring, this right here would be, you know, a nice raised bed garden area. All right, give me some thumbs up. There's my thumb. Subscribe to my channel. You'll be able to see some projects I'm doing. And yeah, in my other video, I talked about getting some fishing gear together and going out and doing some fishing. One thing that's really good for a garden is all the fish parts, you know, the parts that you don't eat. You bury them in your dirt in your garden and they decompose and become a good nitrogen source for your, you know, all your different plants, especially tomatoes. Man, tomatoes love fish. Love fish. All right, well, I'm gonna get out of here. I got to go in and wash my hands and eat something. Talk to you later. Bye.